Hi, I'm Adam the Hip Nerd, and today's show and tell is this. It's actually an icosahedron made out of three intersecting golden rectangles. It's a thing. I made the model in Blender 3D. I chose an arbitrary size of 55 millimeters for the short side of the rectangle, then multiplied by the golden ratio to get the long side. Making the rest of the model is easy, requiring just basic Blender commands to duplicate and rotate the rectangle. And that's it. At this point, the model is finished. Except, if you want to print it as a single piece without a lot of support material, it needs to be positioned on three corners. In order to do that, I first set the model's origin to one of the corners and moved the model to the origin of the XY plane. Then I used the global coordinates of the other points and an online triangle calculator to perform a series of rotations to get all the points to the XY plane. see, this is quite the torture test for the printer. All the layer lines, all the little flaws really come out. But it's a difficult print, but it still came out. Looks pretty good. Going to sand it, paint it, and I think it'll look pretty nice.
My hard disk drive is full. 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 I am out of memory. 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 My OS is outdated. My OS is outdated. But I still love the feeling of your fingers on my keyboard. I am out of memory. Oh. 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 Oh. My hard disk drive is full. My hard disk drive is full. I am out of memory. My OS is outdated. Oh, but I still love the feeling of your fingers on my keyboard.